Desert plant. Plant in a desert. Okay, let's look at some kind of plants in the desert. Here, there are cactus and many kind of. Let's learn about it. There are deserts all over the world. Most deserts are very hot and dry. We think of a desert as empty place full of sand. But most deserts are only partly made of sand. As long as there is water, desert can be a home for many living things. Most deserts get less than 10 inches of rain each year. Here, see? The desert is very hot and dry, just like in the summer now. Also get many inches of rain at once. Even droughts are it's only a rain for one. Low rain in this area. Many of plants live in the desert. These plants depend on rain and underground water to survive. Quick to flowers. Some parts of the desert can be very colorful after it rains. Many plants make flowers when only it rains. The flower has bloom that bloom whole seed. New plants can grow from the seed. Flower petals lose their water fast in a hot desert sun. The water became a gas and goes into the air. This is called evaporation. Petals dry up and fall off when water evaporates from them. Here, this is a flowering cactus. Some plants spring to life. Some plants spring to life when it rains. These plants bloom very quickly. They only live a few weeks or months after they bloom. The seeds of some of these plants can last up to 3 years waiting for rain. Cool, yeah, really colorful. The nations and see. Some plants use their flower. Some plants use their flower to make new plants. Their flower make a fine powder called pollen. Pollen helps new seeds start to grow. Sometimes we see in the fruit that plant makes. The agave cactus has a yellow flower that makes smooth green fruit. This fruit can hold many seeds. Wow, look at this kind of flowers. It looks silly and tall too, right? The centuries plant can grow to be 10 or 14 feet tall. Ooh, cool. It has flowers that bloom near the top. The century plant was named by people who thought that it bloomed once every 100 years. Oh, this is not real true. Small century plant can bloom after 3 or 4 years. Some big ones bloom after 40 or 50 years. Roots. Desert plants use their roots to get as much water as they can. Since, there is not a lot of water, desert plants grow far apart. This way, the roots do not have to fight each other for a little bit of water that there is. Some plants have roots that grow near the surface or top of the ground. These roots spread out, they take in water when it rains. Other plants have roots that grow deep into the earth. These plants take the deep underground water. A plant with deep root can get water more of the time. It does not have to wait for rain. The saguaro cactus have roots near the surface of the ground. Oh, here it is. It's big. This cactus also has other rocks that grab around rock. These small roots help keep the large, heavy saguaro cactus from falling down. Ooh, look at this. It's so cool. Storing water. Ooh, this cactus has tough skins. What kind is this? Oh, it's a barrel cactus. And it's a water storing part here. You see the pink one? It stores water. They have tough skins. Look here inside have yellow, white, and also pink. Oh, that's pretty pretty. But outside it looks tough. It has tough skins. Cactus plant grow in many deserts. A cactus is a plant that has special ways to store water. Many plants store water in their stem and leaf. Cactus plants have thick, waxy skins. This skin keeps water from evaporating. These also help protect the plant from the sun. Some little plants have folds in their skin. Folds like these plants grow like balloons, and when they take in a lot of water, the plant goes back to normal size when the water is gone. Cool, this is a barrel cactus. A skin of a barrel cactus has folds and tough spines. Here, spine. A spine grows in bunches. The barrel cactus can store a lot of water. It gets bigger when it holds the water. It grows slowly and can live more than 100 years. But that is not too long. Let's talk about another kind of plant. Leaf and spine. Oh, this is so cute. It's a bunny-eared cactus. Cool. Plant loves water in the sun and wind. The leaf in a desert plant are made to keep water in. Many desert plants only have a few leaves. Others have small leaves. Some plants drop their leaf when it gets too dry. Other plants have leaves with small holes to take in water. The hole open at night when it is cooler and close during the day when it's hotter. Oh, look at this. The kookaburra tree only grows leaves at the top of its branches. Oh. Most cactus plants do not have leaves. Plants without leaves use their stem to make food. Cactus plants have sharp spines. The spines grow on the plant skins. Spines block the wind. They can also keep the sun off the plant with their tiny shadow. In this way, they help keep water in the plant. The baby toe cactus. That's a really funny name. Cool, that's cool. Really, really cool. So, well, the baby cactus plants have very special leaves. Most of his plant is under the ground, but the leaves stick up. Oh, baby toes, cactus. Cool. They let light into the rest of their leaves. The grocery green leaf of the desert grows will fall out if the plant does not get enough water. When the water can be found, it leaves grow again. The leaf of the desert rose can also help the plant stay safe. The part of its plant, including the leaf, are poisonous. Cool. A desert holly is made to live in the dry desert. This plant keeps salt on its prickly leaf. The salt is like sunblock. It helps the plants stay cooler. The desert holly can sometimes drop its leaves to seek water. Amazing plant! Now let's talk about amazing plant. It's not easy to live in the desert. Many desert plants are small and have short lives. But some desert plants have amazing because of their big size and long lives. The Joshua tree is an amazing desert plant. The Joshua tree grows to 40 feet. One of the oldest Joshua trees is more than 900 years old. Cool. Let's talk about the gnawers. The welwitschia plants live even longer than Joshua trees. Oh my goodness! It starts a pair of wide, long leaves. These leaves grow and sprout. When it looks like there are more than 2 leaves, these plants can live to be 1 to 2,000 years old. Oh my God! Let's talk about another kind of places. An oasis is a place in a desert with water. The water in the oasis comes from rain or snow high up in the mountains or hills. Oh, look. This big. If the water stops at a low place in the desert, then the oasis can form. A lot of plants can grow in an oasis because there is water. Sometimes palm trees will grow in an oasis. They stand tall over the lands and can be seen from far away. They let people know what an oasis is. If the oasis is large enough, people can live on it. Cool. Another kind of oasis is a stream that starts in the mountains and flows through the desert. Plants also grow along this kind of oasis. Desert plant. Many plants have adapted to grow in hot and dry desert. Colorful flower blooms after rain and makes the desert come alive. Flower help make new plants. Desert animals move pollen from flower to flower. This is called pollination. Plants can grow seed when pollen moves. Some that have roots that are near the top of the ground. The plant needs to take in rain. Other plants have deep roots to get water. Desert plants find many ways to store water. Some plants use spines to keep the water. Some desert plants can grow very big and years old and very old. The joshua trees and the welwitchias are two of the oldest growing plants. Palm trees grow very tall. They can grow near an oasis. People can live on an oasis if there is enough room. Desert may seem empty at first, but if you know where to look, you will find that they are full of life. The end. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.